Are you trying to choose between FOK CRM and Attio? It can be tough to decide. Let's break down both tools to see which one fits your needs better. Both FOK CRM and Attio help you manage customer relationships. They allow you to organize contacts and track interactions. This makes it easier to build strong relationships with your clients. Let's start with FOK CRM. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use. The interface is clean, making it easy for anyone to navigate. You can quickly add contacts and notes. Fork also offers features like email integration and task management, which helps you stay organized. Now, let's look at Attio. This tool is designed for teams that need to work together. It offers more collaboration features, allowing team members to share information easily. Attio also include advanced analytics to help you understand your customer data better. This can be very useful for making informed decisions. So, what are the main differences? FOLK CRM is great for individuals or small teams who want something straightforward. ATSO is better for larger teams that need to collaborate and analyze data together. When it comes to features, FOLK offers essential tools for managing contacts, while ATSO provides more in depth analytics and collaboration options. In terms of pricing, FOLK CRM usually has a lower starting cost, making it more accessible for smaller users. Attio might be pricier, but it offers more robust features for teams. In the end, if you're a solo user or a small team, FOLK CRM might be the way to go. But if you're part of a larger team that needs collaboration, ATTIO could be a better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.